This is TP4056 module I am using to charge this one as Lipo battery, and as it charges at 1 ampere, it is not good for these small batteries. So on research I found that I need to remove this R3 resistor, which I already have. So I just forgot to film it. So in order to desolder the resistor, you need to use flux paste, apply it, and then use this desoldering wire over here. Okay, and then apply this soldering iron to remove the resistor. Now I have removed the resistor. Now I don't have an SMD resistor, but I have this regular resistor which I can also use. So I will try to solder it, and this is a 10k resistor. So you need 10 kilo ohm resistor, 1/4 of a watt, to solder it here. If you have SMD one, that is very nice. The SMD will be of the same size. The size is 603, I think. Now solder this 10 kilo ohm resistor here and then try to charge. So this battery is almost 4.20. It is 4.17, so it is almost full. So this modification is working.